Sample problem on compound curves. Basahin natin yung sample problem natin. The compound curve has station PC and PCC. Ito yung mga stations, 15 plus 220 and 15 plus 338.60. So again, yung ibig sabihin ng stationing natin is that yung 15, this designates kilometers, and then this one is meters. No? So we have, ito ay nasa station 15 kilometer plus 220 meters. So same with itong station PCC natin. So, pag i-drawing natin, so ito yung figure natin. So, ito yung station PC and then yung station PCC. Ito yung point of compound curve. Ito naman is the point of curvature. Tapos, yung curve na nagko-connect sa dalawang stations na yan, that's your first curve or LC1. And then, yung pinapanap sa atin dito is the length of the first curve. So, madali lang to, no? So, ito yung mga sample problem na nakaka-insulto sa iba, no? Anyway, solve na natin. So, madali lang, no? LC1, wala na ibang given na angles, pero enough na to, no? Para ma-solve natin si LC1. LC1 is just the difference, no? So, we have LC1 is just the difference of station PCC and station PC. Okay? Kasi para makuha natin si station PCC, kailangan na natin idagdag si length of curve dun sa station PC. So, naturally, yung difference nila is just the length of curve ng LC1 or yung first curve. So, i-substitute lang natin yung mga given natin na values. No? So, we have station PCC is 15. So, we have LC1 is equivalent to 15 plus 338.60 plus 15. Oh, minus pala, no? Hindi pala plus. Yun, nagkakamali pa tayo, no? Sobrang dali na ng sample problem. Tapos, doon lang tayo magkakamali dun sa mga ano natin pag-execute ng mga operations. So, 15 plus 220. So, para hindi tayo malito, lagyan natin ng parenthesis. So, dito sa calculator natin, double check nyo na lang. Ang sagot natin dyan is 118.60. So, 118.60 meters. That's your LC1. Final answer. So, double check na lang, no? Kapag i-input nyo lang sa calculator, ito lang dalawa, no? Dalawa lang yung yan. I-subtract kasi yun. Same lang din naman sila ng station ng kilometers, 15. So, pwedeng ito lang yung i-subtract natin. 338.60 minus 220. O, pwede lang din naman ganito. Magkakancelan din naman yung 50 natin. Okay? So, this is the final answer. Pakicheck na lang dun sa calculators natin. And if may mali or hindi tama, comment na lang dun sa tamang sagot. Hindi naman tayo dito, no? Perfect lagi. So, yun. Ito na yung final answer, and thank you again for watching. Salamat sa support, and see you sa mga next sample problems natin. Thank you.